Hi friends, today topic is vitamins. Vitamins are specific organic compounds which are required in small amounts to maintain normal health and growth. Vitamins are two types. Those are fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K, and water soluble vitamins are B complex and vitamin C. B complex vitamins are more. Those are B1, B2, niacin, B6, B12, and due to deficiency of these vitamins we get some diseases. Example, vitamin A deficiency leads to night blindness and xerophthalmia, and B1 beriberi, B2 chiliolsis, niacin pellagra, and B6 vitamin deficiency leads to anemia, and B12 is pernicious anemia. Deficiency of C vitamin causes scurvy diseases, and vitamin D is disease rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults, and deficiency of K vitamin leads to bleeding disease.